MTD network capacity video for Powerkut in Coventry. Now, how do you turn one of these, and yes, it's not me being a lightweight, that is quite heavy, even though it is aircraft grade aluminium, into one of these. Now that, you've got to see, is an impressive component, and you're thinking, how on earth do they get that so flat? Well, first of all, you buy yourself a Mazak VTC 820 SR. It's a beast of a machine. Massive envelope, if Chris can see from there, and it's a 4+1 in terms of your axes. And if you're looking at the table, look at the size of that, just to give you a bit of scale. The envelope itself is absolutely huge. But next point you're thinking is, how on earth do I get it flat, so flat? Well, what they use is a vacuum table, which is just down here. So that holds a component, and that is not moving. So any components like that, and you might recognise this, because this goes in first class travel in your airplane. So next time you're quaffing your champagne in first class, you'll see one of these. But otherwise, Powerkut in Coventry, get in contact, any components like this.